Okay, next up we've got the Hornby Lima Class 73. This has got the Lima body and the brand new Hornby chassis, which has got the 5-pole skew arm mounter and the DCC 8-pin socket, and it's also the one with the NEM coupling. So I actually picked this up while I was at Olivia's in Sheffield. It's one of Neil's specials. So what they've done is they've put lights in it for me and they've put sound in it, and I think it's absolutely superb. So lights to start with. As you can see, white lights at the front, and we've got tail lights as well. Same at both ends. Looks so much better with the light. The Lima body actually isn't that bad. It's one of Lima's better bodies. Hornby haven't really done a huge amount with the Lima 73 body. The printing's pretty much spot on as well. Better than some of their old models. It's actually a decent model. I'm impressed with this one. So here we go. The difference with the Class 73 is you can have it with diesel motor or you can have it with electric motor. So I'm going to do the electric motor first. So that's function 15. That's the electric motor, just turn it off. Also listen for the electric spark as well as it disconnects. That's the little spark. And then you can actually have the diesel sound. Now you can't actually have the diesel and the electric sound on at the same time, so you can either have function 1 on for diesel sound or function 11. Okay, so this is the diesel sound. So you've got horn, brake release, buffers, coupling, top wheel, guard. That's a new sound, that's a new guard tool, so that will click on that. Drive acknowledgement, and then you've got flange screw there, compressor, wheel, tap, etc. as normal. So what we're going to do is set it off. Shut down. There's an awful lot of power in that, even though people say Hornby's 5-pole motor's not very good. In the Class 73, it's got an awful lot of grunt. Can pull things very easily. Quick flash around the layout. Not a lot going on. Wagons. I've put the order in for the new Dapol MRA wagons, which Model Rail have got a review of in their next issue. They're due out, according to Dapol, at the end of this month, so that gives them 2 days to do it, but I believe that when I see it. Then we've got everything down here as normal. Plus 60s, 59, 60, 66. Then over in the station, the two northern liveries, 158, 153, got the Virgin HST with sound. Bachmann Voyager is the back one, and another new acquisition is the Hornby Ormston Pendolino, yet to have sound in it. That's probably going to be the next job. You may also notice the VEP has gone. I sold that on eBay. It didn't look right, but completely out of place with all the Virgin livery over there. So I put that on eBay, and the money I got for that paid for the Pendolino and also for a couple of the items that I've just had sound put in. Network Rail Depot's not had anything done to it yet. Still don't know what I'm doing with that, but I've started to put the trees back into place. And then change the gradient ever so slightly. Decided to use a piece of flexible track rather than set track. So as it comes off the edge of the bridge, there used to be quite a drop from the straight onto the curve, and a couple of the locos used to come off there as the flanges weren't deep enough. So I got some flexible track, put it into place, and now it's a nice smooth change of gradient from the bridge and onto the polystyrene as it comes down. The locos don't come off anymore, and that's why you've got that weird little joint there where there's a little gap. That's where the flexible then turns back into set track. But since doing that, I've not had any problems with it, because the 66 used to be the one that used to come off all the time. That seems to have solved that problem. So very happy. Don't forget, usual thing, any questions, please feel free to either send them in a message or write a comment at the bottom.